Hello guys, welcome to Soft YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Today we want to talk about Gamepix scripts. The Gamepix.com script is now available. How to use Gamepix scripts on WordPress or Blogger site. What you need to do is your publisher's ID, your AdSense publisher's ID only. The first one here. You just change only this one here, you paste your own here, the one from your AdSense. Then the other publisher's ID here, down here, is definitely fixed, so don't touch it. Touch only the first one, don't touch this other one, don't touch this one. Okay, that's all about it. If you need it, you can chat us privately on our publishers on our WhatsApp platform, so we will give you the scripts. Okay, please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Son.